Shri Sai Ram. Thought for the day. You may be from many countries and wedded to different cultures and traditions, languages and styles of dress, food, etc. But this variety should not hide from our vision the unity of divinity inherent in all of you. The world today is afflicted with formidable problems and fast-spreading fear. Fear of war, famine, and demonic terrorist, problems of racial, religious, and regional conflicts, of economic recuperation and survival of student indiscipline, of credal clashes, of frenzy and fanaticism, of power-grabbing and extreme egoism. The only remedy for these creeping fear is an attitude of Vairagyam, non-attachment. When one is attached to the body-mind complex and the I and mind limitations, fear is inescapable. The Advaitic non-dual awareness that we witness is but a super-imposition of our own mind on reality is the best cure, and service is the most effective sadhana. Divine Discourse, November 21st, 1985.